Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Good job, Via.
Take a picture more.
Yo, what up? Back with another food review.
What no work, baby?
I'll list everything off. That's what I got. And I will show y'all. This is probably your miso soup. I'm not a miso fan. Hello, Sushi. Alright. What did I get? Look at this lighting. It's a good idea of me.
Dad.
Alright, I guess I just have to go with what I have here. Okay, so first of all, got some miso soup.
Soup.
Yeah, miso soup. Say miso soup. Alright, and then we got something in here. I don't know exactly what it is. It looks like a shrimp. And something else. We got the typical gyozas, because I love gyozas. And we got real crab meat rolls and octopus.
Octopus.
And I got it all for $8 because I had a thing from a promo code from
No, that's my Slurpee.
Uber Eats. So yeah. And
That's your Slurpee.
I'm really curious how these whatchamacallits taste. These real crab meat rolls, because normally when you get rolls, it's California rolls, and they're just imitation crab. So let's take a busy bite of them. Not really that big of a difference, to be honest with you. But it's not bad.
You gonna try something, Sophia?
You want to try? Which one you want to try? You want to try one of these?
Her face.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Open it. Open it.
Because I really don't know what this is, honestly. Ooh, it's very juicy, I'll tell you that much. Ooh.
Oh.
Ugh. Oh, that's what that is. It's like a...
You like one? You like it?
It's something in vinegar, I'll tell you that much.
Let me see. Oh, it's noodles, like a noodle salad?
Sort of, yeah. It's like it's a seafood salad, that's what that is. It's got crab, or shrimp, imitation crab.
We want some shrimp.
Some, these are shrimps right here. And then it's got
I know you like one.
a frog.
I know you like one.
And then,
I know you like one.
you don't like it? Alright, I guess she doesn't like it. But yeah. I love octopus.
That my food.
That's my food.
Say like and subscribe.
I can subscribe.
Good job, Via.
I'm taking a picture, Mom. Please.
Then go stand with Mom. We'll take a picture. Alright, I gotta take a picture. I'll be back. Okay, so overall, this vinegar salad rice bowl thing, whatever, is meh. Very vinegary. But
Rice vinegar is very strong too.
the toppings are good. Yeah, that's probably what it is, rice vinegar. And the rest of it's good. I like it. The gyros are actually fully crunchy, unlike other
No,
places.
thank you.
Other places they usually just grill it. But yeah,
All the time.
this is Hatasuki. I think that's how you say it. Hatasuki
No, you have to
restaurant. We can check out some reviews.
Abby, put in more.
No, Abby does not need to give you more Swiss.
So let's check out Hatasuki review. Hatsuki Sushi.
No.
Alright. They are a 4-star. 4.1.
You've had sushi from there before.
This restaurant is a hidden gem. We took a chance on it Saturday, blah blah blah. People like it. Great atmosphere.
Sophia, don't do that.
My go-to place to eat lunch. Yeah. It's right on the North Shore. It's good. I will not leave a review because this is my review. Anyways, like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.
Oh, God.
Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
And yeah, so cheers and happy weekend.